Hey everyone, in today's video, which is part 4 and the final part in my black and white boho series, I'm going to be making some wall decor, and I started off with this a silver charger that you get at the Dollar Tree, and I just gave it 2 coats of white acrylic chalk paint, and I didn't sand my charger down because I wanted the paint to kind of leave its own texture, so there's that. For step 2, I took 3 strands of black yarn and glued it the length of my charger, and then I take 3 pieces of twine, and then I fold those pieces of twine in half and pull my twine through the loop within the twine. I don't explain that very well, so be sure to keep watching to see how I do that. And then I just do that the length of my charger to kind of make like this little twine skirt with loops at the top. I can't talk or explain stuff. But anyways, keep watching to see what I mean. For step 3, I just show you how to do that loop thing on the yarn that I can't explain very well 2 more times. And then what you see me do is go ahead and really glue down the black yarn to the back of the charger, because that skirt just ends up being a little bit too heavy for those 2 small dots that I put at the beginning on each side of the charger. For step 4, I'm going to be creating a sun out of wooden beads. And so for the middle part of the sun, I am going to start with a row of dark wooden beads. For step 5, I'm going to start creating the sun, and I'm going to use lighter wooden beads that are slightly smaller than the darker wooden beads that I previously used for the middle of the sun. For step 6, I will be adding 2 rows of a slightly smaller bead than I previously used. For step 7, I will be repeating the process and adding 2 more rows of a slightly smaller bead. step 8, I felt like the middle of my sun wasn't full enough, so I'm just going to add the same size bead that I used for the third row in between the darker wooden beads. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope it leaves you inspired to create some home decor of your own. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed my black and white boho home decor series. If you missed the beginning parts to this series, I will be sure to leave those links in the description box below. Be sure to come back and join me for some more home decor inspiration. And lastly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Bye everyone.